Hello everybody. Nice to see you again on the channel. It's 19cvd.com, where we talk about marketing and brand new ways of making money online. So, as you remember in the last video, we spoke about the GrooveFunnels platforms, which in the meantime I was able to get the platinum account because there's a very good software which I don't want to lose not upgrading to the lifetime offer. So this is an opportunity for me as well, and it's going to be an opportunity for you as well if you want to grab the lifetime copy from the description link below. Okay, so let's go dive into the video and see what the GrooveFunnel is actually about. So if we can see here in the left side, we can see a GrooveFunnel section and the future GrooveFunnel section. So the GrooveFunnel section is about all the tools or plugins or softwares that are already installed in the GrooveFunnel platform, already released, and which is the GroovePages, which is the landing page, the GrooveSell, which is the payment system, GrooveAffiliate, which lets you build your own affiliate army to promote your own products, and GrooveMail, which is an automated sequence emailer, GrooveMember, which lets you build a membership website exactly like this one, and build your own ecosystem inside your membership website and invite whoever you want. And also a Groove Video, which I very much like this feature. Before you had to make an account for Vimeo Pro or Vistia in order to upload some videos on the internet, like not from YouTube, just embedded videos. So now you can do embedded videos via Groove Videos. Okay, so these are the platforms that are already released on the date of 6 October, which is today. And we have a few more which are going to be released in this Q4, which is Groove Blogs, Groove Webinars, Desk Calendar, and Survey. So what is this Groove Blog? Groove Blog, it says that it's mainly going to be a blog platform which it should replace WordPress for a few of us. And here you can publish the content, schedule, publish, and SEO friendly. Actually, a very good integrated SEO platform, much better than the rival Clickfunnels and so on. And a lot of integrations with mails and CRMs, which I'm again going to talk about them later. So very nice blogging platform, which is going to let you have a less subscription, one less subscription. Yeah. So again, blogging inside GrooveFunnels as well. Groove Webinars. What are Groove Webinars? So here again, a massive software which is going to be released in a few weeks, which you can automatically host normal webinars and evergreen automated webinars, which is great. So very good feature to use if you want to promote some of your webinars. You can do it inside GrooveFunnels as well. And GrooveDesk, what is GrooveDesk about? GrooveDesk, it says that it's going to give your software with an inbuilt help desk. So on your website you can connect this GrooveDesk, and it's going to give you an automated message system with a with a desk um, platform, which is going to give customer services for your clients. All right. Yeah. And the Groove Calendar, which the Groove Calendar, it's again about schedule meetings. So for your leads to schedule meetings with you. So basically it's same like the Google Calendar, but it's just inside Groove. So it's gonna be one click away from your funnel, so that you don't have to send your people on Google Calendar in order to make a schedule with you. They just can do it straight on your landing page. and the Groove Survey, which improve your messaging, products, and more by gathering and analyzing feedback with Groove Survey. So survey, very nice aspect. I believe a lot of companies use it. Even Clickfunnels, they use it on the homepage, trying to segment their audience. So if you want to segment your audience in your email, asking them what are they looking for, so or how do they think you can help them with. So yeah, very much for audience segmentation, or to put it inside of your call, um, book a meeting on your funnel. You can actually make the survey, put a survey out there, so you can know more information about the leads that are going to be inside your list. Okay, so yeah, I know many things to be added in these GrooveFunnels. Many have been added already, and yeah, guys, this is going to be a very nice platform. You can also see they have an e-commerce cart. So is this going to replace Shopify eventually? I don't know. I can't actually um, say for sure, but definitely they are going to be a competitor, and I do like new competitors on the market. So yeah, many shout out to GrooveFunnels. Hopefully your platform is gonna be out of beta soon, and we are going to all enjoy your features. They said that they're gonna have an affiliate marketplace as well. So basically, once you create your digital products inside of GroovePages, you can inside of your Groove members, you add your digital product, then you can straight away let other affiliates market your product and earn commissions with you. So yeah, affiliate marketplace for affiliate and Groove marketplace. App Store's multi-vendor marketplace. Let's see what is this about. Similar to WordPress plugins, iPhone apps, and Chrome extensions, we are opening up so people can develop apps for our platform. Very nice. So yeah, if for the question, is this going to be replacing WordPress or Shopify? If they develop their app store well, yeah, they can do it. So nice feature about this one. I didn't know about this one. It's newly added. So as well, API and SKDs, these are for developers, and API documents for other integrations. And services, yeah, they have three services as well, which is Groove Solos. I believe these are solo ads, the trusted solo ad source. Yeah, a solo ad much reliable than I don't know, the other solo ads platforms, which are now very crowded, and their lists are destroyed. This is a solo ads especially for customers with sorry for people who need lists in the digital marketing or digital product niche. So okay, Groove Solo, Groove Ads. Actually, this is again a Groove company, GrooveFunnels company, which I think you make an application form. They book you a schedule call with them. You schedule a call with them, and yeah, I believe so. They will give you full Facebook, Google, and YouTube advertising service. They can help you with that. They are the experts. And Groove Pay, least but not last, better merchant processing. Finally, better, more affordable merchant processing for online business. If you are tired of paying a premium for your merchant services, of GroovePay for your account. Now, what can you expect? Instant approvals, easy integrations, and lowest rate. Yeah, so another service, the pay service, which they want to integrate. They also have events and workshops. So basically, they do a lot of live events, and also they have an like a video video massive event, which they're going to have, I believe, at the end of this month, October. Also, Groove Digital Agency, which it's going to be released, and I don't know much about this. The academy teaches you all things digital marketing and e-commerce marketing. Yeah, so this is their digital academy, which they'll give you an account when you sign up for free with them. They'll give you a special account. It's a different platform, just the training platforms. Sorry, just the video training on this platform. And blogs, tutorials, yeah, the Facebook group, the corporate site, and that must be it. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, we just had a look together on the GrooveFunnels features out here, and we're gonna go more in depth in some other videos. So check out my other videos on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching me, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.